Hello, dear friend. If you edit your video in Kdenlive, you must edit your audio in Kdenlive too. You know, there are lots of impressive tools in Kdenlive which are not available even in the proprietary software, dear friend. And these tools actually work. If you have recorded your audio or video in OBS Studio, or you have recorded your audio in Audacity, if you want to clean your audio, if you want to remove the noise from your audio, remove the background noise, etc., give your audio the professional touch, you are at the right place. In today's Kdenlive tutorial, we will learn how to edit audio, how to remove the background noise, etc., and make our audio very clear and audible to your audiences. You know, if your audio is bad, you can't edit your audio properly in the video editing softwares. Even if your video is very good, you have edited your video in the very professional way, you have added lots of transitions, template, text, effects, etc., it's a zero, because audio is a very important part of any video editing. Even if the video editing is not good and audio editing is impressive, it will impress your clients, your audiences. So in today's tutorial, we will learn about all these tools inside Kdenlive. All parts are very important. Don't miss any part of the video. Once you listen this video till the end without skipping any part of the video, at the end of video you will be able to edit your audio, remove the background noise, etc., from your audio in Kdenlive in very professional way, dear friend. Actually, these tools inside Kdenlive impress us a lot. Most of people who edit in Kdenlive, they don't know how to use these tools for editing your audio, removing the background noise, etc., in Kdenlive, dear friend. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Without wasting time, let's jump into our PC inside Kdenlive to remove the background noise, etc., from our audio. Okay, we are now inside Kdenlive. Let's see how to edit our audio in Kdenlive. I have a tutorial video recorded in OBS Studio. Just come to Project Bin here, and now we come to File here. Drag to here. You see Project Bin here. Inside Project Bin. Okay, this is our 4K video. We just click, switch to our default resolution. 4K video. Just switch. Okay. Now you can see we have video here, and if you want to drag your video to your timeline, it's very easy. Just click V on your keyboard. V. You see, so intuitive in Kdenlive, you can drag video directly to your timeline. So dear friend, now this video we will start process how to edit audio now. 0.4.1 is available for downloading, dear friend. You know, you see this video I have recorded in OBS Studio, and there are some noise, and somewhere our noise is very high. So we have to use all type of tools for editing audio. First, for editing audio, you have to come to here, effect. You see here in effect here, just click audio. Once you click audio here, all audio's property will appear here. You see there are various type of properties here, but we will use only the properties which are necessary for us to editing, and very important properties are available here. And we just click here noise. You see here, come to noise reduction and audio restoration. Here actually we need this. We just click to audio track on our timeline and release here. Actually this is the noise suppressor. If you have very high and very low noise, it will actually work. You can see here VAD threshold 0%, VAD threshold 0%, VAD grace period, and here we have these settings. New version 25. So you see our sound is very high here. New version, it's a very high here. We have noise here in our sound. It depends upon the quality of audio. If the level of your audio is very high, then you can decrease little bit here and increase, not too much. Always try to increase or decrease very little and listen the sound. It's a very important to listen. Just you can see here 49% is default, but I want to decrease very little here. Okay, 42% is okay for me. Grace, I will change 20 some things. 400, 450, 59 is okay. You can directly type here. For example, I want to type here 450. 450 is okay, ideal for me. And now I listen this. Kden Live new version 25.0.4. You can see it has actually worked here and it helped me to reduce noise in audio. So dear friend, you can take the screenshot, otherwise try to make your own preset. For making preset, we just come here and you see save preset, and you can write the name and okay, save. It will be saved to your computer. Anytime you can drag. For example, I type here Eden audio preset here. Okay, now we have preset, we have saved preset here. Anytime if you have a audio, and you can use these presets. Hello dear friend, if this class is useful to you, adds value to your life, don't forget to subscribe the channel dear friend. Your one subscription gives me a lots of motivation to make more creative tutorial for you. Nowadays I am working hard dear friend, I am very much tired, I am demotivated. Motivate me dear friend, just like, comment which type of Kden Live tutorial you want, and share this channel to those friends who are actually in the need of such type of tutorial. This Kden Live tutorial may be very useful to them dear friend. Without wasting time, let's jump into our next step of Kden Live tutorial here. Come here, you can see here use effect, and you can use this preset effect. Okay, you can use that preset here, and here you can see a disable effect, no disable effect, and we listen new version. You see we have so many noises. We just click here, enable our audio effect, and now we listen new version 25.0. So it has worked. Try, and then this noise suppression. If you want to return to default, we just click here. Actually we have this preset which we have made this preset. We can activate this, and anytime inactivate this. You can delete preset here, update current preset. If you want to update anything, you can update that preset, and you can reset. Actually from here I have reset. We have this default preset. There is no any solid definition of audio editing dear friend. It depends upon the quality of audio, mic, surroundings. So you have to change the little bit and try. Now let's come for our others effects here. Now we type here tap equalizer. Now we will take EQ. Now we type here EQ. In EQ, you see here tap plugin for EQ. Here we have audio equalizers, AV filters. We don't use this. We need this tap equalizer, BW. Equalizers works a lot for audio editing. When your sound is very high or very low, and very low sound, it will try to equalize, give us some perfect effects to our sound here. You can see here tap equalizer. We just drag this equalizer to our track here, audio track. And now you can see here we have gain here, dB gain. You see gain, dB gain. We have 8 bands here. You see 8 bands. Wet and dry. We have also setting for wet and dry here. So if you want to change, you can increase or decrease level. So if you have your sound is, our sound is very high, we will decrease very little here. You see here. Okay, this is okay for me, and in the same way we'll try this. Okay, otherwise you can directly type here VDGAN 4. We'll try this. There are 8 bands you can try, and you can give wet effect. Dry is not good. Okay, and wet is also wet. Too much wet is also not good. We'll try to decrease little bit. Okay, this is perfect for us. Now we listen new version 25.0. Actually you see it's a working for new version 25.0.4. Dear friend, and still you see it's actually working. In this way you can try these 8 bands. If you want to change hertz, you see 3 frequency, hertz, etc, 400. These are the default setting. I always use default setting, but you can change little bit, and you can make the preset from here directly. You can reset, and you can delete, you can disable. Now we listen it new version 20. After applying effect, we listen now. Kden Live new version 20. So it has worked. It has helped me to just improve our sound quality here. So next is our, here you can see tap equalizer, tap equalizer BW. If you have normal PC, just you can use this. Just drag this to our track here, and here just click here, and now we come to the settings. This is actually the advanced settings of tape equalizers, and it's also good, very impressive. I didn't find such effect in any video editing software. I have experience of editing in Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, or other video editing software, but in Kdenlive it's a really working, and you will not get the such effect even in the proprietary softwares, and it's a very impressive. You see, there are the bands here. I will try to decrease bands because my sound is very high. You see here. Okay, in this way you can try very little, not too much. You see, if you take one, otherwise you just type. Actually, if I will type change everything, my class will be very longer, dear friend. It will be very boring. So try here band. You see, I have given the idea. I use default, but you can try a little bit, not too much. This okay, and increase, decrease very few point, and you can type here actually. You see, 0 point only 0.23 points you have to increase and decrease. Then you will understand here. You see here. Okay, and now we listen our sound here. New version 25.0.4. Once you are satisfied with this volume etc, just make presets and use it in your future audio editing. After that we come for other effects, which is very important here. Now we will take gain. Just type here gain here, and here you can see color and image correction. This we don't need this gain. We need gain for audio. In volume and dynamics you will find it here. Just type here and you will find. And here you see gain, sox gain. We don't need this sox gain, we need this gain, and we just drag to our track directly here. And now we come down here and you will find gain. If your sound is very low, you can increase and decrease. But here my sound is very high, you can listen here. New version 20. So I will decrease little bit. I want to type here 90%. You can directly type. Otherwise you can slide here. See, it will be very high. You see, very high it's actually. And if you want to listen the effect here, just click here and you can listen here. So we come here, dear friend, and here we type here 90. Okay, now our gain is 90, and listen here. Don't forget to update Kdenlive. So you can see here audio waveform here. It's not crossing the red level. It means our sound is perfect and it's working actually. When you are editing your audio, always click here to audio panel, come here, and you can always check here. From here you can change little bit, but I don't advise you to change from here. And you can come to effect and see, change little bit and see the 5.0. I think it's a perfect for us, and so we can change from here. We can change gain, and you can make it preset. You can take the screenshot, use, record your audio in Audacity or OBS Studio. Once, give time 1 or 2 hours and try, then make your preset or take your screenshot, change something. If you are perfect with this, you can take a screenshot like me. You see, I have taken a screenshot here. If I forget anything, so I will just come here and check from here. Now let's come for our last effect. Just type here. Our last effect is limiter, and limiter is a very important part. Here you see limiter for color grading. We need limiter for volume and dynamics. Just click here and drag to our audio track here, and now we'll come down here. You can see limiters, input, output gain, limit. Actually limiter is the main part of audio. If you have attack voice very loud, when you attack some things you speak very loudly, when you have emotions, then on mic it take the loud sound and distort your audio quality. So attack we can change from here. I always take this attack because I have attack in my voice. I will change to something. Okay, 415 is a very good. And limiter will take this limiter to 90, 88% is also good. It's not bad. And input you can increase and decrease 1 to 3 point only. Attack we have changed. Released I want to use 49. Okay, release I want to use only 45. Just type here. You can directly type and listen. 48 is okay. ASC level we can use 4. Okay, everything is okay. Normalize to 0 dB. I don't use it. Try, and now we listen. New version 25.0. You can see here. No, it's actually working here. We just come down here and we just disable from here effect. Now listen. Version 25.0. and now we apply here new version 25.0.4. Actually it's a working. Dear friend, you can see these are the main point: noise suppressor for voice, TP equalizers, see, and change little bit and try listen your voice and make the presets. You tap equalizer, it's a very important part. We use gain here and limiters. Only these things you will use, and you can edit your audio very impressively. You know, if the quality of your audio is very bad, it will be not impressive. All the efforts you have made for video editing will be zero, because it will not impress your audience. Because audio is the very important, people listen. Your the quality of video is very bad, it's not important. If the quality of your audio is bad, it matters. When you edit in Kdenlive, try to use these effects from here. And there are also several effects in Kdenlive, very impressive. You can check from here and apply to your clip. So now we listen. After applying all these, this problem has been fixed. There are also several problems which have been fixed in this update, dear friend. Now you can see it's not crossing our red level, means it's okay. So we are satisfied with these settings, but anytime you can change here. Dear friend, apply all these setting to your audio and write me in the comment box if you have any doubt, suspicion about this. If you didn't understand any point, write me. I will make it clear. In a short video, it's not possible to define everything. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. We meet in the next class. Take care. Bye.